dear students. So we have already finished our what is called height and valence tree and what is the valence factor. So today class will start about the avial rotation, that means from an unbalanced binary search tree to how to we have to construct a balanced binary search tree, that is called the avial rotation. So last class we have summarized about the types of rotation, that is called left to left rotation, left to right rotation, right to right rotation obviously, and right to left rotation. So this class we will construct the balance tree by the having by using this type of rotation, that is left to left, left to right, and right to left, and left to right rotation. So first we'll start the left to left rotation. So I am writing left to left rotation. That means the left part of the left soft tree is heavy. So left part of the left soft tree is heavy means left part of left subtree is heavy. That means this we have to make some rotation to make it balance. So let's have a tree that is 8, if obviously binary search tree, 6, this is 10, this is 4, this is 7, and we are having this is 3, this is 5, and this becomes 9, this becomes 11. So now this factor, if I am writing 0 0 terminal node, this is 0, this is 0, 0 0 is terminal node, this 1 1, this becomes 0, and this is 2, and this is 1, this becomes 1, 1 2 3 2, this becomes 1. So this is the valence tree. Now we are making an insertion process here. The process is we are making 2, we can insert here. So whenever we are inserting 2 here, so it becomes 1. Now this becomes 2 and this becomes 1, and here it becomes 3 and this 1, this becomes 2, and that becomes the pivot node. And obviously the left child of the pivot node becomes A. This becomes A. So we have to make a left to left rotation to make it balance, having some equation. So equation is, first equation, A RC is equal to P. That means P becomes the right child of A, and the equation 2, this is equation 1 and obviously equation 2 is there. So PLSB is equal to A RSB. So what is PLSB? Now this is nothing but the right subtree of A becomes the left subtree of P. So let's say we are constructing this or balance it. So first of all, what is my P? What is my what is my A? Now my A is 4, and the right child of the A becomes P. So what is my P? P is 6, and it becomes the right child. This becomes 6. And which will be the left subtree of P? The right subtree of A. So what is your A? A is 4, the right part is 5. Excuse me. So P left subtree, this is nothing but the 5 is there, and the rest of the part remain as it is. This is 7, this becomes 4, and again here will be 3, here will be 2, and 4 from here, this becomes 8, this becomes 10, this becomes 9, and this becomes 11. So this is 0, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0, 0, 0, 0, and heavy, left heavy 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1 is the balanced tree. So we are having the left to left rotation is over. Then come to the right to right rotation, where the right part of the right subtree is heavy and we have to make it balanced. Now see the right to right rotation. So we are having right to right rotation. I am writing these things, right to right rotation. Whenever right to right rotation is there, again I am telling the right part of the right subtree is heavy. So right part of the right subtree is heavy means we are having this is 7 and this is 9 and this is 8, this is 11, this becomes 10, this becomes 13, we are making, and this is, let it be 13 and this becomes 5, this becomes 4 and 6. So it is a balanced tree now. 0, 0, this becomes 0, 0, 0, this is -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, this is -1. Now I am inserting, let it be 12, I am inserting this. So 12 will be inserted here. If 15 I want to insert this part, I can insert right rotation, or right part of the right subtree is heavy. So whenever I am just inserting 12 here, so what will happen? Now this becomes 0 and obviously the left is heavy, this becomes 1. And this is 1, 2 and 1, this is right is heavy -1, and this is 1, 2, 3 and 1, this becomes -2, and this becomes the pivot node where the balance vector drastically increases, and this is B. Now this is a disbalanced tree and we have to make a right to right rotation. So see the equation first. The equation is the reverse of this. So P LC is equal to P and P RSB is equal to B LSB. So first is BLC is equal to P means the P becomes the left child of B. Again I am telling, I am not writing. So P becomes the left child of the B. So whenever P becomes the left child of the B, so what is my B? My B is 11. My B is 11. And the left child of the B becomes P. So left child, which is left child? This part is left child. So left child becomes P. So P is nothing but 9. So left child will be 9. And BLSB. So BLSB is 10. BLSB is 10. So BLSB becomes PRSB. So PRSB this portion. So this portion 10. And the rest portion, the rest part will be remain as it is. So we have to make the rest part. So 11, this is 13, this is 12, and obviously this becomes 8, this becomes 7, this becomes 5, this becomes 4, this becomes 6. Now we have to start counting the valence vector. So 0, 0, here it is 0, this is 0, and as the left is heavy, this is 1, this becomes 0, and 1 2 3 and 1 2, this is minus 1 and 0 0 0. This is a balance tree. So this is a right to right rotation where the equation is important, where BLC is equal to P and PRSB is equal to BLSB. That means the left child of the P becomes the left child of the B, and the right subtree of the P, which will be the right subtree of the P, the left subtree of B. Now certain complicated rotations are there. This is also important, and this rotation is nothing but the last two rotation, that is called left to right rotation and right to left rotation. So this is also a very important rotation. So we have to make this rotation, how to make this rotation. So this is important thing. So we have to make it. So see, first of all, the left to right rotation. Whenever left to right rotations is there, that means the right part of the left subtree is heavy. Again I am telling, the right part of the left subtree is heavy. So we are having a tree called 8, 3, and this is 10, this is 9, this is 11, 3 having, we are having 3 having 2 is there, and obviously I am making another one is 1, we are having 5, we are having 4, we are having 6. So this is a balance tree, 0 0 0, this obviously 0, this is 1 1 2 1 2 0 0 0 0 1 2 3 1 2, this is 1. And the rotation, we have to make the left to right rotation. So we are having the right part of the left subtree is heavy. So I am giving the right part of the left. Suppose I have to insert 7 here. Yes, I can insert. So whenever I am inserting 7, this becomes 1. And this becomes heavy. This becomes minus 1. 1 2 3 1 2. Obviously the 0 is gone, minus 1 will become. And this is 1 2 3 4 2, and here 2 will be there, and this becomes pivot node, very important. And the left part of the pivot node is A, and right part of the pivot node is B. Right part of the pivot node is B. So we are having the P and we are having the A.
Oh.
So we are making certain equation for it. So little bit of complicated equations are there. First equation we have to write B RC is equal to P. That is, P becomes, obviously P becomes the right child of P. We are making. Number 2, PLSB, which will be the left subtree of the P. Now the BRSB, the right subtree of B, becomes the left subtree of P. And number 3 equation, the left child of the B, which will be the left child of the B. Now, okay, A becomes the left child of the B. So first we have to discuss, this is a very important one, the right child of the B is P. That means P becomes the right child of the B, and PLSB, left subtree of the P, which will be the left subtree of the P, now right subtree of the B, and which will be the left child of the B, now A will be the left child of the B. Now first we have to distinguish which is B Now my b is 5. If my b is 5, so what is the right child? Now p becomes the right child of the b. So it is nothing but 8. And what is the left subtree of p? Now the right subtree of the b. So which is the right subtree of the b? Now 6 will be the right subtree of the b. So here this is nothing but 6. Okay, this is nothing but 6, and here it will be 7. So it is clear. So left subtree of the p, the right subtree of the b. So b is nothing but 5 having right subtree 6 and 7. So we are attaching with the left subtree of the b. Okay. And the left child of the b is obviously your 5. The left child of the b becomes the a. So it is nothing but 3. And rest of the part will be as it is. So rest of the part is nothing but 2. This is nothing but 1. And obviously this is nothing but your 4, because rest of the thing is there. And 5 having 8 having this is 10, this is 9, and this factor is 11. Remain as it is. So this is 0, this is obviously this is -1, this is 0, this is 0, left right is equal, 1 2 1 2, this becomes 0, 1 2 3 1 2 3, this becomes 0, this is 0, and this becomes 1, this is 0, this becomes 1. So this is also a balanced tree. We are making left to right rotation, or we are making from unbalanced tree to balanced tree. So this factor is this rotation is over. We have completed this rotation. Now my next rotation we have to make is right to left rotation. So whenever it is right to left rotation, so the reverse effect will be there. So we have to make the reverse effect from right to left rotation. So we are making it right to left rotation. So I am just writing it right to left rotation, where the left part of the right subtree is heavy. Again I am telling, where the left part of the right subtree is heavy. So we are having 7, there is a binary subtree 5, 4, 6, obviously 9, 8, make it 12, here having 11, here having 13. This is 0, this is nothing but 0, 0, 0, 0, obviously this is 0, and this factor is 2, 8, this is -1, -1, and this is 0. And we have to insert here the as it is a right to left rotation, so left part of the right subtree. So if I am just inserting 10 here, the disbalance factor starts. So this becomes 0, this becomes obviously 1, this becomes obviously this is 1, and where this part is there, this is 1 2 3 and 1, here it becomes -2, and the pivot node is there, and the left part of the pivot node, right part, sorry, my mistake, A, and the left part is becomes B. And we have to make certain equation for it to make it balance from right to left rotation. This is reverse of left to right rotation. So B LC is equal to P. So P becomes the left child, but the P becomes the right child of B. Now P becomes the left child of the B, and P RSB is equal to B LSB. So what is that? The right subtree, which will be the right subtree of the P, the left subtree of the B. Obviously this is the reverse of what left to right rotation, and what is called B RC is equal to A. The right child of the B, which will be the right child of the B, it is obviously A. So now we'll start it. What is my B? Now my B is nothing but 11. So we are having 11. And what is the left child of the B is P. So what is my P? My P is 9. So that becomes the left child. So it is nothing but the left child, 9. And which will be the right subtree of the P? The left subtree of the B. So which will be the left subtree of the B? The left subtree of the B is nothing but the 10. So the left subtree of the B becomes the right subtree of the P. So P is 9. So right subtree is nothing but 10, because so left subtree of the B is nothing but 10, and it becomes the right subtree of the P. And what is my B? My B is nothing but 11. So BRC is equal to A. So right child of the B is equal to nothing but 12. A is nothing but 12. So rest of the part is as it is, 12 having 13. And here this becomes 11. From 11 we are having the 7 part is there, rest of the part, and we are having that 5, we are having 4, we are having 6, and 9 we are having that 8 part is here. 0, balance factor we are counting, 0, 0, this is 0, this is nothing but -1, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0, this is nothing but -1 is there. So this is also a balance tree. We are making certain rotation, and we have completed about your right to left rotation, whatever called as right rotation, and we are making an unbalanced tree to balanced tree by this process. So we have completed whatever the avial rotation we are making, left to left rotation to make it balanced. We are having right to left rotation to make it balanced. We are having right to right rotation to make it balance, and left to right rotation also we are making balance. Now the last part of the portion we have to complete. This is the very important part we are making. How to construct a avial or height and balance tree. Certain nodes are given, and we have to create, or we have to make a height and balance tree by these nodes. So let me last part we are just having some example of it to complete this very important topic called height and balance tree. So let some nodes are there. So some nodes, 64 is a node, 1 is a node, 44 is a node, 26 having this, 13 is a node, 110, 98 and 85.
Go.
So these are all the nodes we have. We have to make obviously a binary search tree and by balancing it. We have to make two things. We are having to see two things. First of all, construct a binary search tree. Second thing, to make it also balanced. So first is 64. Second, 1 is to be inserted. So obviously 1 is the left side. So 64, 1 having 0 and this having 1, because this balance factor is 0, this balance factor is 1. Then 64, 1 and 44, obviously it's the right side. So this is a 0 rotation, this is 0. So this factor, whatever the factor is there, balance factor is right heavy -1, and this is left heavy, this becomes 2. And this is the pivot node P, this becomes the A and this becomes B. Now we have to make certain rotation. So for making certain rotation, we know about this is a left to right rotation. So B RC is equal to P. We have no this equation, first equation will get. So B RC is equal to P. So what is my B? My B is 44. The right child of the 44 is nothing but P 64, and this becomes 1. Now 26. So whenever 26 is there, so obviously 26 will be left part of this. So where the 26 is here, so 26 becomes 0, this becomes -1, and this becomes 1, this becomes 2. And now 26 is over, now we are having 13. So whenever we are having 13, so which part of the 13 is there? So make it again, we are having 44, we are having 1, we are having 1, we are having 26, we are having 26, we are having 64. Now we have to make 13. So 13 will be obviously the right side of the 1, and it becomes left of the 26 because it is lighter. So 13 will be here. So 13 becomes 0, this becomes 1, earlier it becomes 0, this becomes 1, and this becomes now is -2. And whenever this becomes -2, this is 1, this is 2. So whenever it is become -2, this becomes the pivot node, and the right child, this becomes A, and this becomes B. And again, what will be there? Now it is a right to left rotation. So whenever it is right to left rotation, so what I have to do now? BLC is equal to P. So what is my B? My B is 30. What is the left child of the B? Now left child of the B will be the pivot node. So pivot node is 1, and obviously this will be, I have to make these things will be 26, and this is 44, this becomes 64. So this process we have to make, or we have to balance by making certain equation, by using that equation, and we have to observe whether it is a left to right rotation or left to left rotation or right to left rotation. This rotation we have to observe, and we have to make it balance basis. So thank you very much. We have covered about your height and balance tree, and we have made certain avial rotation, and we also constructed node by certain nodes, a height and balance tree. Thank you all.